What up, YouTube? Yeah, man. Just let y'all know it's gonna be more stuff coming to the channel other than construction stuff. So I do a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? Motorcycles. Got multiple cars. You know what I'm saying? It's not just all dirt and grime. I do get dressed. I do have friends other than my work associates. But we have a ball, so, you know, hey, you hear that in the background? That's me too. I rap too, I make music, I'm an engineer. You know what I'm saying? Do a little bit of everything. Pick up main unit. Joseph Avenue, you see Joseph. I told y'all we was picking up Maine. I told the subscribers we picking up Maine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn right.
And he don't want no attention.
Monday. We on the Monday trip. You know what I mean? We setting it off. And that's how we rolling right now. We at the Home Depots trying to get a little tooleries and products together.
Little nigga at the depot. I hate the depot.
Make too many trips. So many.
Nah, I like Home Depot. Y'all give us sponsorship. We love Home Depot. You stop
That's
it.
right.
You stop it. I love it.
The best.
The bestest. Telling you in it.
The bestest of the bestest.
Yeah. We about to go up in here.
Yeah, right.
We about to go up in here.
Look at that. I don't want that.
Hey, Nada. There we go. Good premium drywall screws. I don't know. Inch and a quarter. At least 2 inches. Me and the main about to hang some motherfucking drywall. Y'all know how we do.
Drywall fade.
You see it. Y'all see this. We at the same house out here where we did the other stuff. Y'all already know. This video is gonna be a continuation, like for a while, probably for a couple months. It's gonna be just an update on this actual project. So, boom though. But it's going down in here. Y'all see it before and after. It's gonna be before and after. Tell them, man.
Before and after. Then it's gonna be
get some drywall.
Beautified.
Lift together. Lift is everything. You ain't got no lift? Invest in one. Invest in your tools. That's what you gonna do. You know? Sheet about to go up. But that's how it's gonna go. It's gonna sound like a gun. You know what I mean? Through movie magic, it's gonna go really fast.
Excommunicado. That's what happens. JR, you've been excommunicado. You got 24 hours to get the fuck out of Rochester.
Y'all see that drywall going up.
Yeah.
You don't want that. You don't want
The T just walked in the building.
You know
You see the T.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, that's how you do it.
Oh, man.
Hey, you broke it.
Yeah, bitch. I just got that stupid screen off of there.
Hey, you just broke it.
Oh,
Oh.
motherfucker. It's a my phone just went excommunicado.
Hell yeah. Talking all that shit.
There's nothing big on there, right?
Here we go. 4 sheets. And a main.
4 and a few more to go.
4 and a few more to go.
What does this look like?
When
you're doing the hair, when you're fucking starting to learn how to do hair, the little hat, fakeness. You start all the sex quit. You get a little blow up down and fuck until you're fucking ready to stroke.
Is who here? The T?
The T?
Oh, hell no.
Hell no.
Hell to the no. Hell
to
to
the
the
T. We talk about the same
to the no. Is we talking about the same T? Can I get a ceremonial? He ain't and a man.
man.
And a All you gotta do is come out of the rain. Ooh, all you wanna do is play in the rain. Tell him it's dry outside. And
The next day,
raspberry.
What if I have some crust in my eyes? You know
Right.
what I mean? You got the camera going on and shit.
And shit. This is day 2 of drywall. Day 2.
Getting it together. Another day in.
And yeah.
Get everything done except for this mount. I bought this box right here.
Drywall, baby.
That's the full.
Almost done, this bitch.
What's the measurement over here?
So maybe we have 90, but I can order you up. You know, we'll see what this is. Like 18 for a 24-inch cabinet.
Yeah.
It comes out like this.
Yeah.
It comes out about
Yeah.
whatever inches, maybe 30. I don't know. But you can just.
Yeah. Okay. That'd be good.
I'll look at what they have available.
Okay.
Well, we
Yeah.